Lino Simplify is a software solution to automatically simplify Solidworks 3D models. In this scenario, we will demonstrate how to use Lino Simplify to simplify a part model. Our goal is to prevent reverse engineering and to protect our intellectual property. To achieve this, we will remove details from the model, apply feature freeze, and join solid bodies to minimize the amount of bodies in the model. We will show you 3 ways to get to the result you need. The first method is by using default settings and no additional model modifications. This is our part. We start Lino Simplify to adjust the settings. We switch to the Part Settings tab and we choose to create dump bodies. This means that all features will be deleted and replaced by bodies. We choose to remove features by their volume and impact on the model and to delete internal faces of weldments and bodies. We also choose to delete cylindrical faces like fillets or bends, and we choose to delete holes. Then we click OK to start the simplification process. All the settings we set also work for imported models. This is our model after simplification. We can open the original model directly from the simplified model to compare both files. In our second scenario, we force specific features to be preserved. We would like to preserve a hole, this one. To rename this feature, a conditional statement must be created. When creating a conditional statement, you can specify if you would like to delete, preserve, or resolve a feature by its name. In this scenario, we choose to preserve a feature when the name of the feature starts with preserve. Once a condition is created, it will be remembered next time. We can now select the features, or more if applicable, and click on Rename Feature to start renaming it. After the feature has been renamed, we check our settings and start the simplification process. As you can see here, the whole of the feature we wanted to preserve is still in our model. In our third scenario, we would like to force resolve features by using a naming convention. These features are by default suppressed in our model. When we resolve them, we fill up the inside of our model. Again, the condition does not exist, so we have to create it. We choose the action and specify the naming convention. In the model, we select the features and start the renaming function. After the features have been renamed, we check our settings. And start again the simplification process. As you can see, the features have been resolved and the whole of our second scenario has been preserved. We can now compare the simplified model with our original model. Thanks for your attention.